Good morning. So today we're going to have a look at this vehicle here. It's a 2005 Kia. It has a little knocking sound when you're turning the steering wheel, so we're going to have a look and see what that noise is and then make a determination on how we're going to fix it. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, now I'm not sure if you can hear that noise. Sounds like a little metal on metal thumping. Sounds like a metal on metal thumping. Now what I've determined here is that I can feel this with my hand, and I can feel that the thump is on the end here. Now I did look around at all the other components here to see if there was anything loose within the steering, and I didn't find anything. So I'm just going to climb under a little bit further and have a little bit of a closer look. Okay, go again. Right, now this is really difficult, obviously. You can't see a lot, but I can feel and hear that noise is coming from right there. Finger there, right there. So that's within the steering rack. I can also hear a little bit of a slushing noise, and what that tells me is this is possibly low on power steering fluid. Okay, you can stop now. And so I'm just going to check the power steering fluid and then we'll have another look. Alright, so what we've done is we've checked the power steering fluid, and we've determined, even though this bottle is really dirty, we can actually see the sunlight through here, and we've determined that it is actually at the top level, which means that there is an issue with the power steering rack. And so now I'm going to suggest the customer goes along to the mechanic and has that checked out and most likely changed out. Not much more we can do here. Alright, so we had a look at it. We've jacked the vehicle up, took the wheel off, found that the noise is coming from in the steering rack, and that steering rack needs to be changed. It's worn out. So what I've suggested to the customer is go and take this to a mechanic and have that done. It's a very big job, and it's not something that you want to try and do yourself as a novice. You can have a go, but I would suggest on this one, take it to the mechanic.